Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Charles Kings, and in this video I will be showing you how you can get a free $50 no deposit bonus for you to start trading your Forex account in 2025. This bonus requires no deposit at all. It requires no deposit. You don't have to put in your money before you can be able to withdraw your profit. Yes, you heard me right. You can be able to withdraw your profit from this bonus once you are done applying and complying with their terms and conditions. And in this video, I will be showing you and explaining to you what their terms and condition is and how you can claim this bonus and how you can start trading for free in 2025. But before we start, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure that you subscribe. And also, most importantly, do not forget to turn on your notification button so that when next I drop a video, you'll be the first person to get notified. Now, proceeding to the next step. As you can see right here on my screen, this is our Telegram channel, and in here we drop legit updates before coming here to YouTube. We drop no deposit bonuses on our Telegram channel every single day, and we also drop money making updates for our people daily so that they can make money every single day also. So if you know that you are interested in making money every single day, just subscribe to our Telegram channel. And so the first thing you have to do in order for you to claim your bonus is for you to go to the description of this video, click on the link, join our Telegram channel, and once you click on the link, it's going to redirect you back to our Telegram channel where you are going to have access to the link to claim this bonus. So once you click on the link to this $50 attached to this $50, it's going to bring you to this interface. And once you get to this interface, the first thing for you to do is for you to click on don't have an account, because you haven't created an account yet. So click on don't have an account yet. So once you click on don't have an account yet, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this. The next thing for you to do is for you to sign up by entering your first name, your last name, your email, your username, choose the country that you are from, enter your phone number, enter your password again to confirm the password. And once you're done with that, click on sign up. So let me just do mine and I will get back to you shortly. So once you click on sign up, this is where you will be taken to. And as you can see right here on our screen, registered successfully, but we could not send a welcome email. Please contact support if needed. So the next thing for you to do is to save. Click on save over here and scroll down. So what we are going to do right now is for us to enter our email and the password we entered while registering. So enter your email and password, and once you're done with that, click on login. Let me just do mine and I will get back to you shortly. So once you click on login, this is where you will be taken to, and the next thing for you to do is for you to click on this three line up here, this three line that I marked just now. So once you click on it, it's going to bring out something like this. The next thing for you to do is to click on my profile. Now what we are about to do is for us to verify our KYC, because your KYC is needed. So the next thing for you to do is to click on KYC over here. So take a selfie of yourself holding your ID card with your full face clearly shown and upload it by choosing file. Click on choose file and upload the picture of your face and your ID. So now you can this is the kind of ID type you can choose. You can either use your international passport, driver license, country, state ID, any one of your choice. And once you come down below, also upload your proof of address, which is also known as bank statement. So the next thing for you to do once you are done with all of that is for you to click on upload. So once you are done verifying your KYC, the next thing for you to do is to click on the three line that you clicked on at the first time. So just click on it. So as you can see, this is contact support over here. We are about to request for our free $50 no deposit bonus for us to start trading. So click on contact support. So once you click on contact support, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this. The next thing for you to do is for you to request. And as you can see, in order for you to contact their support, this is their phone number over here and this is their email. So just request for your $50 no deposit bonus. Just request for your $50 no deposit bonus for you to start trading. Now to talk about the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to withdraw. You just have to trade a minimum of 5 lot size before you can be able to withdraw from this no deposit bonus of $50. You just have to trade a minimum of 5 lot size. Just trade a 5 lot size. Once you are able to trade it, you'll be able to withdraw your money. So for more details about this $50 no deposit bonus, don't forget to contact me on my Telegram channel, and it will also be automatically dropped in our Telegram channel. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section once you are able to claim yours. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because another no deposit bonus and pro firm account that you'll be getting for free without you having to invest your money will be dropped real soon. Make sure you stay tuned. Thank you for watching.